Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. I want to say happy holidays to everybody, and I hope you're having a good time despite this pandemic what's going on. Today I'm just going to show you how we prep our meats for our holidays period. So in here I've got a turkey butterfly, which I've already soaked overnight in some salted water. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drain this off and show you how we season it up. Right everybody, so we've got our meat washed off. We washed it off with some vinegar and some lemon juice. So now we're going to just season this one up and then put it in its tray ready for tomorrow. So we've got a mixture of seasonings what we're going to be using. We've got some chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, turmeric, onion salt, garlic salt, thyme and mixed herbs. So we're just going to mix this, give this a little shake around. We haven't put no salt into this because sometimes the seasonings have got their own salt. And I've put a little black pepper in this as well, just to add another bit. So we're just going to sprinkle this over. As you can see, we've left the skin on. That's just to help to keep the moisture within the meat. If you want to take off your skin, I know a lot of people don't like the skin, but if you want to take it off, you can take it off. So I'm just going to mix this, rub this in. And this is a catering butterfly breast, so that's why it's so big. So we always do this the day before. It gives your seasonings time to soak in. So that's all our seasonings gone in there now. So we're going to put it into our tray and wrap it up. So in our tray we've just got our foil, and we've put some garlic cloves at the bottom, which we just left whole in their skins. And then we're just going to take our meat and put it in. I'm just going to put this is all seasoning, so I'm just going to put that on there and rub it in. Right, so we've got our meat into the tray, so we're just going to put some bits of garlic on top. Put it under the skin if you like. And then we're just going to put some fresh thyme on top. We're going to get another bit of oil. We're going to put it on top. We're just going to fold down and seal the side. Just fold that over. And that's our butterfly breast ready. Right everybody, we've done our butterfly breast. Now we're going to do our turkey. So we're just going to season it up almost the same way. We've got a mixture of seasonings, which is jerk seasoning, chicken seasoning, all-purpose. We've got mixed herbs, onion, salt, garlic salt, turmeric, paprika and black pepper and salt. So we're just going to start from the inside first. So we'll just sprinkle some of the seasoning into the cavity. And then we start sprinkling it on the outside. I'm just going to rub that into it. So that's our turkey all nice and seasoned up now. So into the cavity, we're going to put our stuff in. So we're going to put some sausage meat in the cavity. As you can see, this is frozen. That's just to keep it a bit, because we're leaving this to soak in overnight. We're just putting them in now. But we'll just keep it fresh till tomorrow. So we've got our sausage meat and everything in. Then we're going to transfer this to our tray, which we've put some thyme and some garlic cloves at the bottom. So we've got that into our tray. And we're going to put the giblets at the side. And then this seasoned water, we're just going to pour in there. And there for you we have our turkey, which is seasoned and ready. Just going to leave that to marinate in now, and then we'll show you it tomorrow when it comes out of the oven. Right everybody, this is our turkey butterfly breast. You can see it's come out the oven. It's nice and golden brown. So this is what it looks like when it's roasted. You can see it's nice and golden brown. And I'm going to show you what our turkey looks like. Right everybody, so this is what our turkey looks like. You can see it's nice and golden. You can see all our stuffing, which is stuffed it with sausage meat, and it's all ready to be carved now. If you like our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and happy holidays to everybody, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.